What are black holes in the simplest way to explain ever? Well, black holes are like large amounts of mass compressed into a really compact ball. How compact? Well, if we wanted Earth to be a black hole, it would have to be as small as a penny. Think of that, all of Earth in a penny. A pretty heavy penny, right? That's the insane density of black holes. How are they created? Well, a heavy star collapses into one after exhausting fuel in a supernova. What do they look like? Well, there's the real black ball, which we can't actually see because it absorbs all light. Then there are the accretion disks, which are like rings of light around the black holes. Then there's the event horizon, after which you pass through, you can't come out. Pretty scary, huh? Then, as you travel through the black hole, spaghettified, you reach the singularity, a point with infinite density. Scientists don't actually know if this point really exists yet. Maybe when someone jumps in one, preferably on camera. It would be a crazy shot, right? Anyways, steering off topic, that's the black hole as we know it. What are the types of black holes? Well, as of now, we know 4 major categories. Stellar, pretty small, and around 1 to 20 sun masses. Supermassive, these are the biggest black holes that we know. We can find them usually at the center of most galaxies. The Milky Way is no exception. We have our famous Sagittarius A, a pretty massive, supermassive black hole. Intermediate, we actually do not really know if these exist, but they probably have to, otherwise it would be hard to understand the large jump from stellar to supermassive. We're researching these currently. Primordial, these guys are pretty old. How old, you ask? As old as the universe, and they were created in the Big Bang. I'll create a separate video on these guys, so stay tuned. Now, here are some fun facts about black holes. Black holes theoretically radiate particles in something that the famous physicist Stephen Hawking called Hawking radiation. I really wonder how he came up with that name. Because of this, he hypothesized that black holes must evaporate over time. Pretty weird, huh? Now number 2. If someone far away saw you go into a black hole, it would look like you slowed down and then stopped completely when you reach the event horizon. It would look like you froze and realized maybe this wasn't a good idea. Sadly, that would just be an illusion and you would actually be long gone inside the black hole. Number 3. Here's a quantum side of a black hole. Previously, information was thought to be destroyed by a black hole, which would break the rules of quantum mechanics. But with new research, there exists the new holographic principle, which states that the 3-dimensional content of a black hole is fully encoded on its 2D surface. But this is a bit confusing because what do we consider as information? Just letting you guys know, a video on that is coming soon. I hope you guys learned at least a little bit about black holes, and that you guys have a bit more appreciation for the world of physics and its beautiful creations. Make sure to subscribe, and if you do, I'd really appreciate it. And as always, be inquisitive and curious like a child. The world needs more of it. Bye!